Sharia. Because that is how we come up with Sharia. It is the consensus of all Tunisians. We all met together and we wrote the new laws. That is the new Sharia.
I know that you have, but on this particular point, because I think it is important. Once again, I mean, we're talking about a term that's used and abused and used in any particular way. And I agree with the definition given by that essentially Sharia is something which is in evolution. It's evolving all the time. It's moving all the time. And it's changing according to context. How it's moving over here is different from how it's moving in Southeast Asia and the such. But let's just state a few facts. The first is that every single Muslim government, as far as I know, and I stand to be corrected, including the most vehemently anti-religious of them, the most secular, if you wish, of them, have the very first line in their constitution that Sharia is the basis for the constitution. So that's one thing. And therefore Sharia isn't the issue to be asked of Islamic parties, the Muslim Brotherhood or otherwise. The societies demand Sharia. And the example that Ibrahim Munir gave earlier in terms of the 2014 constitution, whereby the Coptic Church was heavily involved and engaged in drafting the constitution, actually the term emphasizing Sharia was far stronger than the constitution proposed by Muhammad Morsi during his rule. So I think that's extremely important. The issue about sidelining, I think it's been said, you always have 50% who aren't happy. But the problem with Egypt particularly, and this is what we try to convince the European Union as well as our own government, in that we need to either announce our total adoption of democracy, or say that, well, actually we will only adopt democracy and stand by it and support it when it suits us. And the